So let me ask you a question. Do you think Ondo Finance is crashing? Well, let me go ahead and give you all this updated price prediction, give you the new levels that we need to pay attention to see if the market will continue to go lower. Because, I mean, let's keep it real, let's keep it honest. The market in Ondo Finance has dipped lower ever since the high of December the 16th, 2024. So maybe we may continue to see the market go down. Maybe, maybe not. Now, you guys can see it already from our last video in Ondo Finance. We anticipated that the market was going to go higher. Back on November 22nd, the market exceeded our ultimate TP price on December the 1st. It hit our TP price on the 30th of November of 24.33%. Now, at the high of December 16th, you guys can see that would have garnered, what, 116% profit? So very good to see that. Now, given that price in Ondo Finance has exceedingly went higher, we need to get rid of these pockets of selling here because the sellers did not impact the price action in Ondo Finance there. However, we can go ahead and create new areas of where sellers are. Okay, so here's one area there. Here's another area here. And it looks like there's a shallow area of selling right here in Ondo Finance. Okay. Now, taking it back to these areas right here, we really want to see on the 330 if the buyers are hitting the market in Ondo Finance right around here. You guys can see that that's pretty much it. They are there in Ondo Finance. Look at that on the 90. Give us a bigger idea as to where those buyers could potentially be. So let's go ahead and put one here. It's going to mark this area as to where an increase in buying has occurred. You guys can see that the market already is hitting that pocket of buying right now. So we may not see the market in Ondo hold that particular area, but it already did it before. So potentially we could see those buyers hold the price action in Ondo Finance just like they did back in the beginning of December. If they do, good. If they don't, we won't be surprised because we already know that the price in Ondo is trending down. Okay. So matter of fact, I'm gonna take this and move it down lower. So let's look at Ondo on the 2. What do you guys think? Here it is on the 3. The 3 looks pretty good right here in Ondo, but it could just be a bottom, right? Just an initial stop to try to suppress all of the massive selling that occurred prior to this 3-day bar being printed. Because it doesn't mean that we're finished with price going down. It's just a stop, a temporary stop into the market in Ondo, because right now on the 3 we're seeing price come right back down. We still have 10 hours and 19 minutes though, but given that that has been printed right here, the signal, we have to say, okay, cool, at least for a temporary moment this market has found the bottom. Now this current 3 days telling you that it just may in fact be a temporary bottom because the market is still showing that sellers are here. Here it is on the 4. We got the indication again that the market is a buy in Ondo. Here it is on the 5. Sellers hit the market on the last 5-day bar there. Take a look at this on the week. Here it is on the 2 weeks and on the 3. Really look at the 2 weeks. Okay, right here. That could be a forerunner to tell you what's to come in the beginning of this year in 2025 for Ondo Finance. This 2-week price bar, don't forget that bar, because many people think that, hey, we finished going down in price. The market found the bottom in Ondo at $1.30. But then you have this 2 weeks lurking in the background. Here it is on the 3, Ondo on the 5, and then for the month of December, right there. Okay, so what do you guys think? Will we continue to see price in Ondo go higher or lower, or will we see the market continue to trade within a range? I think the market may initially try to hold and trade within a range. So what we're going to do is anticipate higher prices in the market in Ondo. But again, I can't be massively bullish because we already know what the long-term trend has been. This may be just a small opportunity to see the market pop in Ondo, and then we might ultimately continue to crater and go lower. So this price prediction will definitely be contingent on us seeing these buyers hold this area. They need to hold that pocket. If they don't, then we can see a bigger move to the downside in Ondo, potentially all the way down here. Okay. So I'm going to look for price to go higher, albeit I'm not 100% confident that the market will exactly do that. So we're going to place targets right here, this first sell pocket. Okay. Either at the low or the high of the market. At the high of that pocket, which is around $1.65, gives us 9.49%. Then our next target is going to be the next pocket of selling at the low, which is around $1.80, and is around 19% there. All right, so that's it. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.